Hello, this is Mario Sobalvarro with KETIV Technologies, and I'm going to show right here the ability to fill a gap using a fillet weld. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to measure to show that the gap between the end of this tube and the end of this angle face is about 1/4 inch. I'm going to go ahead and use the fillet weld to fill that, and I'm going to go ahead and choose my fillet weld tool. Having done that, I will select the 3 faces right here that I want to use, and then follow up by the face on the angle. Have my fillet set to 1/2 inch. Preview looks good. Happy with the weld, and I will go ahead and hit OK. And there it is. I've taken that weld, expand the gap, and fill the gap like I might do potentially in a real case scenario, and show that weld goes in there. Thanks for watching, and more later. Thank you.